Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Mohammed Yusuf NPM 224110002 Management Class 22DX. I will explain various concepts related to taxes. 1. Legal position of taxes. Taxes have an important legal position in the country because they are one of the main sources of government revenue to finance development and state administration. Taxes are required by law, and their payment is mandatory for every citizen who meets the requirements. Provisions regarding tax collection, types of taxes, and sanctions for violations are regulated in laws and regulations. 2. Differences between taxes and levies. Taxes are mandatory contributions to the state that are regulated by law and do not receive direct compensation. This means that there are no direct services or benefits received by taxpayers after paying taxes. For example, income tax, PPH, and value-added tax, PPN. Levies are levies imposed by the government on services or facilities that are directly provided or provided to the community. Payment of levies results in direct compensation in the form of certain facilities, such as parking levies or health service levies. 3. Requirements for tax collection. To fulfill the principles of justice and efficiency in tax collection, there are several requirements that must be met. Equity. Taxes must be fair and in accordance with the taxpayer's ability. Certainty. Taxpayers must know clearly when, how much, and how taxes must be paid. Convenience. Tax collection should not be difficult for taxpayers and should be carried out at the right time. Efficiency. Economy. The cost of tax collection should not be greater than the amount of tax collected. 4. Tax resistance. Tax resistance occurs when taxpayers try to avoid or reduce tax payments in certain ways, either legally or illegally. Tax avoidance. Efforts to reduce the tax burden through legal tax planning and in accordance with laws and regulations. Tax evasion. Efforts to avoid taxes in illegal ways, for example by hiding income or providing false information. 5. Direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes, collected directly from the taxpayer concerned and cannot be transferred to another party. These taxes generally have a fixed rate and are paid periodically, such as income tax, PPH, and land and building tax, PBB. Indirect taxes can be transferred to another party and are usually collected at the time of the transaction. Examples are value-added tax, PPN, and sales tax. Taxes play an important role in funding government activities and driving economic growth and public welfare.